A theme that captures not just brilliance, but the heart behind it, when guided by humility, purpose, and respect for the values that ground us.
That true success is never just about standing out, but about standing firm in integrity and service. Together,
we warmly welcome you to the Pangasinan State University's 2025 Awards Convocation.
We recognize not only the milestones of your service, the number of years, the honors earned, the positions held, but the meaning behind them. And rightfully so, the theme, Radiance in Reverence, beautifully captures the essence of this gathering. Thank you for showing your never-ending trust and confidence, confirming that despite their imperfections,
we shall continuously improve our operations through systems and process innovation, guided by ethical, intellectual property, and technology transfer standards in response to changing educational, scientific, and technological developments for social responsiveness and in support of the institution's strategic direction.
Today, we gather not only to celebrate our accomplishments, but to honor the light that each of you brings to Pangasinan State University. Radiance in Reverence perfectly mirrors the spirit of this occasion. A time to shine with gratitude, to look back with respect, and to move forward with renewed purpose.
Tinatanghal po natin ngayong gabi ang mga tunay na lingkod bayani. Puso, dangal at galing para sa bayan. More than this, you do not promise. Less than this, you will never do. Kailangan nating magpatupad ng mga programang naglalayong bigyang halaga ang husay, integridad at malasakit ng mga lingkod bayan ng pamahalaan.
Ang araw na ito ay hindi lamang po isang pagtitipon upang magdiwang ng mga tagumpay, kundi upang bigyang liwanag ang tahimik na ningning ng paglilingkod, ang matatag na alab ng dedikasyon, ang marugtog na paggalang na siyang bumabalot sa ating institusyon. Ang ating mga pinaparangalan ay tulad ng tagapagbantay ng parola. Ang kanilang liwanag ay hindi nakasalalay sa papuri, kundi sa paglilingkod.
Ngayong gabi, pinagdiwang natin hindi lamang ang paglipas ng panahon, kundi ang diwa ng bawat taon. Mga kwento ng tagumpay na isinilang sa sakripisyo para sa ating minamahal na pamantasan.
you were their light, radiating and brightly shining their paths. And definitely our honorees would not mind sharing the honor and recognition with you. Dahil sa serbisyo publiko, tayong lahat ay inaasahan na magsilbi na may puso, dangal at galing para sa bayan. Balbalagay salamat, Masanto Selabi at Sikayami.
Sa 2026, Lingkod Bayani, Gawad Lingkod Bayani o GLB sa susunod na taon. At magkita-kita tayo sa Malacanang.
Patuloy tayong magningning, hindi lamang bilang mga individual, kundi bilang isang nagkakaisang institusyon. Patuloy tayong maging radiant sa ating serbisyo at reverent sa ating gawa. Mabuhay ang Pangasinan State University!
Let us continue to build a university that inspires, transforms, and uplifts. Congratulations to all awardees. You are the living embodiment of Rachel's in reverence. Thank you for making PSU's light shine brighter every year. At mabuhay ang mga natatanging empleyado ng Pangasinan State University.
We're